Here's a step-by-step guide to check in for your flight on Alaska Airlines. So first, visit the Alaska Airlines website by opening your web browser and going to alaskaair.com. On the main menu, click the Check-in tab. Then, click the Continue to Check-in to go to the Flight Check-in portal. Now here, check in and print your boarding pass 1 to 24 hours prior to your scheduled departure. And then you should enter the required details. Where are you departing from? And how would you like to look up your reservation? You can choose either confirmation code, e-ticket number, or mileage plan number. Now enter the code based on your choice and click continue. So basically that's it. Some benefits of online check-in is that you can skip the line and you can check in anytime. You can print your boarding pass right away. You can pay for checked baggage charges online with a debit card, then bring them to the baggage check location. You can change your seat assignment or upgrade to first class. Or you can check gate assignments and departure times on the flight information monitors at the airport.